We divide 965 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down the 6 and it is 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 5 and 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So now it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 965 divided by 2 is 482 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.